In this video, we're going to take a look at how to update WordPress themes. Before proceeding with updating any WordPress themes, always take a backup first. Refer to the backups video to learn how. As you can see on the dashboard, when we're on the home page, you can see updates will show a notification letting us know there's one update to do. If we click on updates, you can see on this page the Astra theme needs to be updated from 2.3.1 to 2.3.3. So you could check that and then you could click update themes, and that will start the process of updating the theme from within the WordPress dashboard. Another way to update WordPress themes is to go to Appearance and Themes, and then you can see there's a notification here, new version available, and there's a link that you can click to update it now. Same if we open it, we can also update it here. So if you've taken your backup and you've come to either this screen or the dashboard and update screen, you can then click update. You'll see it starts the updating process. There we go, that's now updated. So I could close this dialog, and the next thing you would do after updating is always to go to the website, the front end, and just check through everything to make sure everything's working properly. So you would go through, make sure everything looks orderly and how it did before you updated. Also check through the menu, make sure all of the pages are working. After that's complete, sometimes it's worth taking another backup just so you have an up-to-date backup after all of your updates. If you discover there's an issue after updating WordPress, you have a couple of options. If you took a backup, then you can restore to your previous backup, and then you can take a different approach to updating the theme. You may need to make some changes first, you may need to contact the developer of the theme, let them know there is an issue, or you may need to do some debugging yourself. Another option is to download the previous version of the theme and then install that. We'll talk about that in a moment. If you're unable to update your theme inside WordPress and you're getting some sort of error, the alternative is to use Control Panel and the File Manager or FTP to update your theme. If it's a free theme from the WordPress repository, you would go to a new tab, you would find the WordPress.org website, and you would go to Themes. You can then search for the theme, or if it's a very popular theme, you may find it's on the front page. In this instance, you can see Astra, which is the theme that we want to update, is available here. So if I click on it, you see a download button. So if we download that theme directly from WordPress.org, as you can see, it's downloading at the bottom here. Then we are going to find the file that we've just downloaded, and we are going to upload it via the file manager inside CPanel. Your hosting account may have a slightly different interface, but the process is pretty much the same. Let's head over to the file manager and update this manually. If we have a look at this website here, we'll see we also need to update Astra. As you can see, we need to update it one version. So if we're in CPanel in your hosting account, look for File Manager. Once we open File Manager and we're in the root folder of this website, we can navigate to WP Content and Themes. Here you'll see the theme folder. Yours might not be Astra, it might be a different theme, but you will find it inside this folder. So if we go up one level, you can see all of the uploaded parts of WordPress are available: plugins, themes, the upgrade files, and image uploads or any media library uploads. So inside themes, if I go to upload, choose a file, here's Astra, click open. This file is now uploading. There we go, it's complete. So I can close this tab, and if I reload, there we have our Astra zip file. I'm just going to call this Astra old, and then I'm going to extract the new zip file and then reload again. Now we have Astra there, so I can delete the zip file and I can delete the old theme folder. That's how to update a WordPress theme manually via the file manager. Let's go and check the WordPress dashboard and make sure that update is complete. Refresh here. There we go. Your themes are all up to date. If you are using a premium theme that you paid for, you will want to return to the website where you purchased it, or check your email for a receipt. If you have an issue with your update and you want to restore to the previous version of that WordPress theme, if you right-click the download link on the theme page, and this works for plugins also, and you paste it into the browser address bar, you'll see it actually has the version numbers. If we also come down to the development log, it tells us every version number that's been available. So if you weren't sure which version you had, you can refer to this. So you paste and then we change the number to version 2 and hit enter. You can see that's downloading that specific version of Astra. You would then just upload it in the same process I just showed you, using File Manager to overwrite the old theme folder. That is pretty much everything there is to updating WordPress themes.